Yo, what's good, everybody? My name is Tanna, and welcome to Tanna So Lit. Man, in this video, we're gonna go ahead and check out these right here. The all-new Beats Studio Buds. Yes, sir, yes, sir. As you can see, this is the packaging and everything. On the side, it says active noise canceling. Man, powerful balanced sound. Then over here, you know what I'm saying, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, let's see what's inside the box. Let's get it. Now inside the box, I was greeted with this right here. Yes, indeed. Application, instructions and all that. And you know what I'm saying, a nice schematic of the earbuds and everything. Then also up in here, man, you get a month of Apple Music free. I'm already a subscriber, but this is a nice gesture. Then after that, man, got instructions for Android. You see the Android logo right there. Nice, right? Ah, a Beats sticker. Man, oh man, oh man. This would definitely get placed on my desk, no doubt about it. Then, a lot of other brochures and all that. You know, the same old, same old. Then when you flip it over, there's the USB-C cord and some extra ear tips.
Okay!
And finally, inside the case was this right here. Yes, sir, the buds themselves. They come in this nice design, minimalistic black matte case and all that. No doubt about it. Got the Beats logo right there. USB-C port on the bottom and everything. Man, oh man. And here are the buds themselves. Sitting, chilling, ready to get paired.
No cap on that one.
And as far as the design of the buds go, yes, sir. Got the Beats logo right there on deck. Nice soft ear tips. These are really small, people. No doubt about it. These are buds for sure. Now, got the little metal pieces right there for the connection and everything. For the magnet, for the charge. Pretty dope.
Yeah!
So now let's pair these earbuds up with the iPhone. Let's go. All right, people. Here's my iPhone 12, sitting, chilling, ready for the pairing. Here we go. About to open up the buds. And there you go. Press connect. Yes, sir. It's just that simple. I love that. Reminds me a lot of the Google Pixel Buds that I got. Nice touch, Apple.
Yeah, boy!
All right, fam. Now it's time for the sound test and all that. So I'm going on chosenbeats.club. Man, every song or every beat that you hear on my channel, man, I got from chosenbeats.club. No doubt about it. The beats start at $2 and they bang it. No question. So let's go ahead and check out, let's see. Let's check out A. See how the sound in the earbuds and all that.
A few moments.
Okay, I just got to listen to this track. Man, just like the box said, nice balanced sound, no doubt about it. Everything was crispy. I heard basically all the frequencies I needed to hear. Man, oh man, oh man. For those who didn't know, I'm an industry music producer and sound engineer. And man, right about now for $150, these right here, man, they banging. But let me go ahead and pull up some industry music and give that a try. All right, y'all, the song that I picked for the industry beat is Scotch by Young Dolph. Love this song. Let's see how it sounds in these earbuds. Let's get it.
A few moments later.
Okay, let me put this phone down right now. Look here, y'all. I'm just letting y'all know these damn earbuds are the truth.
Woo!
Beautiful sound, you know what I mean? It doesn't overdo anything. The bass is just right at the right place where it need to be. They got the 60 hertz frequency tuned just right in these and everything. Man, wow. Not bad, man. Salute to Apple for this one. Man, I'm feeling the sound out of that, man. For some wireless earbuds, these got some great lows. I'm not gonna even lie, and some crispy highs and some perfect mids. I mean, for the average everyday consumer, these right here are definitely go.
For shizzle.
And for those who was wondering about the size or how big the case is or whatever, let's do a size comparison. I got my Pixel Buds case right here. Let's put it right next to the Beats case or whatever. The Beats case is a little bit bigger, but not by much. Yes, sir, yes, sir. It seems like they got similar feng shui with the oval shape and everything. The pixels are vertical. The beats are horizontal. Another thing I want to mention about these earbuds is that these ain't just touch capacitive buttons. These are actually real click buttons and everything, which is an absolute, man, a plus. I really love that. Man, that's nice integration. Okay, I'm about to do a phone test, a real quick phone test right here. About to call my girl. Hola, mommy, what's going on? Hey, yo, I'm testing these Beats by Dre earbuds out. How do I sound? Okay. Oh, you sound great. That's a great question. Yeah, you sound full and everything. I'm really feeling these earbuds. And by the way, I'm putting this phone call in the video that I'm working on right now. Woman, look here. All right, baby. Well, thanks for your input. I'm gonna call you later, all right? All right, bye-bye. Man, let me tell y'all, man, she sounded perfect through these earbuds. No doubt about it. She heard me perfectly.
He ain't lying.
So, man, these buds right here are solid when it comes to call reception. And if y'all was wondering how the buds look inside the ear, there you go, with the right and the left. Not too big at all. Passed the shake test with no problem. And dig this, if you like me and you love using earbuds, apps and everything on your phone to go ahead and check out the settings and everything, well, the way you get to the app with the Beats earbuds are, hit settings, go to Bluetooth, open up your case. Now you see it's connected. Hit the eye right next to Beats Studio Buds. And as soon as you open the Beats Studio app right there, man, the noise cancellation is gonna be off. But all you gotta do is tap it right there and noise cancellation is instantly on. Or if you wanna hear stuff that's going on around you and everything, like if you're jogging or you wanna be alert and everything, go to transparency right there. It's just that simple. Then also right here, you can edit the press control buttons for the left or right earbud. Yes, sir, yes, sir. You can go ahead and rename it, model number, blah, blah, blah. So it's very simple and to the point. I wish they had an EQ up in here so I can tweak the sound a little bit more. But man, that's just the producer and sound engineer me. But man, Beats, next time put an EQ on this boy.
And you know this, man.
So my final judgment on the Beats Studio Buds, the packaging gets an A. Man, the case, it gets a B+, you know what I'm saying? It's simple, minimalistic, it's not ugly at all. The sound performance, that gets an A for sure. Yes, sir, yes, sir. The comfort and feel also gets an A. So with all them A's and that B+, the Beats Studio Buds gets the damn Tanna stamp of approval. Put a stamp on them. All right, everybody, that just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy and Beats a thumbs up because that's official. Yes, sir, yes, sir. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole drip and madness of Dan Tanna and Team Lit, then do that too, because that's official too. All right, everybody, get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy.